at the university. Now, the Jadavpur brutality case has taken yet another turn with Suvendu Adhikari, the BJP president of West Bengal. A protest rally from Navina Cinema Hall to the Jadavpur police station. We have a reporter live, Ridita, over there. Suvendu is speaking to us.
University is the main function of the university is the education. We want ragging should be stopped and all type of drugs should be prevented. And the anti-national activities, those who are always shouting Kashmir Mange Azadi, they should be punished as per the law of our country.
In the history of India, for the first time, we have seen the education minister hit and run over a student. What do you have to say on this? What is this TMC goons doing in Bengal?
It's a completely setting because the Sanatani, the Hindus of West Bengal, after the Bangladesh incident, after Mahakumbh, after the incident happened in Saraswati Puja, they are now united. TMC and CPM, they are trying to divide the Hindu vote. For that reason, TMC is patronized and encouraging CPM in Jadavpur and other areas.
But the education minister has not come up and said anything. No apology has been registered from his side to the student. What would you say on that, sir? No apology has been yet registered to the student. On what account do you think TMC is doing this? It's a regular, after Arjikot we are seeing Jadavpur. It is a regular attack on the education centers in Bengal. Will education be there under Mamata's rule? Do you think
they already closed, shut down 8,000 schools in West Bengal. After health, it's a disaster. Jadavpur is a very big and very famous university. But there is no education.
There is no industry in Bengal, there is no education in Bengal.
It's a solution, one thing. Jantar Jagaran, Mamtar Visarjan. 2026, people of Bengal are ready to change in Bengal. They are ready to support the Narendra Modi's government in West Bengal.
So what is your leaning towards 2026 election? What is your leaning towards the 2026 election?
Tell me again.
On the 2026 election, are the Bengal's Hindus rising against Mamata Banerjee?
That we are now 39% vote. All are Hindus vote and tribal vote. We hope another 8 to 10% Hindu will come out and vote in favor of Lotus. If Hindu will be united, if free and fair vote will be happen and police should be neutralized, that TMC must out.
We are seeing regular attacks at Muslims. We are increasing in Bengal, Murshidabad, Malda. What do you have to say on the Muslim rise in Bengal? What do you have to say on the Muslim rise in Bengal? Rise of Muslim in Bengal, sir.
Muslims are supporting Mamata because Mamata Banerjee's government is as like as Muslim League 2 government.
What is the next step to
high appeasement is here.
What is the next step to this protest after today?
After Holi, a Nagorik convention, the mass convention will happen here. After the HS exam, BJP will start continuous protest against this anti-national force and hooliganism inside the Jadavpur University.
So we have heard the leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, stating that Muslims are supporting Mamata in Bengal and Mamata depends on the Muslim votes. On the Jadavpur issue, we have also seen that he stated that Jadavpur It is the first time in the history of India that a education minister has hit and run over a student who is studying currently in the university. A UG1 student was hit and run by the education minister, and for the condemnation of which the BJP has conducted a rally from Nabina to Jadavpur police station here in West Bengal. We see the leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari present here, and we hear him. We hear the leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari stating that it is only BJP that can curb this movement, this anti-national movements in Bengal.